If you've written any software over the past couple of years, you know exactly what vibe coding feels like. You type a few characters, hit tab, and your developer tool finishes the block of code for you. It functions like an incredibly smart autocomplete. Right, and that autocomplete is a great trick, but it has a hard ceiling. It saves you seconds per interaction, sure, but you, the human developer, remain firmly in the driver's seat. You have to initiate every single prompt, guide every turn, and hold the entire context of the application in your head. Software development is a marathon. It demands mapping out complex logic, tracking down obscure bugs, and linking completely disparate systems together. Typing characters on a screen is a tiny fraction of the actual job, and autocomplete cannot handle the heavy lifting. That brings us to the 2026 wave, autonomous agentic AI. We are looking at AI that actively thinks, plans, and executes on its own, rather than passively waiting for you to press a button. The scale of what you can ask a machine to do, your task horizon, is exploding. We are scaling up from AI outputs that take 3 seconds to complete to complex operational tasks that stretch over 3 days. Getting an AI to graduate from a handy coding assistant to an autonomous software engineer requires a completely new underlying mechanical engine. You can't just plug in a faster language model and expect it to run the show. Let's break down the mechanics. The core concept here is agency. An agentic AI has the built-in ability to act, react to its environment, and make independent decisions without needing you to hold its hand. We see this actively running in modern multi-agent tools today. Platforms like Claude Code, Cursor, and the Replit Agent are driving this entire shift. Give them a practical scenario. You tell your agent, build a secure new login page, and while you're in there, fix that complex database routing error we noticed yesterday. Giving a system agency completely flips the dynamic of how you work. The AI transitions from a static tool you wield into an active worker you manage. This animated diagram maps out the Agentic Loop, the mechanical cognitive process granting the AI its autonomy. Step 1 is context. The AI starts by reading your entire existing codebase. It must fully understand the software environment before acting. Then we hit step 2, plan. The agent takes your complex request, breaking it down into a clear, sequential checklist. Step 3 is execute. The AI writes the code. This exact step is where older AI tools hit a brick wall and stopped. But an agent pushes forward into step 4, test. The system autonomously compiles and runs the new code to verify if the database actually routes traffic correctly. Let's say it fails. The test hits a routing error and crashes. Step 5 is iterate. Instead of asking for help, the AI reads the error log, loops back, adjusts its plan, and rewrites the faulty code itself. This loop spins relentlessly at the speed of compute. It executes, tests, and iterates until it succeeds. The actual value of the agentic loop lives in its failures. It possesses the relentless capacity to make a mistake, correct its own logic, and try again, completely untouched by human hands. Because that loop runs entirely independently, your task horizon stretches drastically. You can assign an agent to build an application module, go to sleep, and wake up to a fully tested, completed pull request. For developers, the necessity of manually typing out every line of code is permanently retiring. You are stepping into the role of an AI orchestrator. You operate as a high-level architect. The division of labor is entirely split now. You provide the strategic direction and the business logic. Your agentic workforce handles the syntax and execution. If you build software, it is time to rethink your daily workflow. Your static developer tools have officially graduated into a fully autonomous digital workforce. Moving forward, an engineer's worth drops any correlation to typing speed or syntax memorization. Your value stems entirely from the scale and complexity of the systems you can architect when you have a tireless team of agents executing your vision.